Hi there! In this video I will tell you about the main block of our dialog builder, the key intent. All dialogues in your bot must begin with this intent. To create a dialog, let's go to any builder module of your bot. For example, in my case, I have just one builder module that is called dialogues, and I go to builder. You can see the empty field here. To add a new key intent, let's press the button. Key intent is the entrance point into the dialog for any user. That's why every scenario and every story must begin with this intent. One field can contain several key intents. For example, here I created two key intents. Let me call one key intent hello. For example, these key intents can be entrance points for small dialogues that we call small talks in your chatbot. At any moment of the dialogue, the user has the access to all key intents. This means if a user asks a question that exists in one of these key intents, then this intent starts working independent of the place of the dialogue where the user is in. We strongly advise you to give unique names to all blocks in your builder. In this case, you can easily find them in your scheme, in your structure of the dialog, and all lists. Each key intent must have unique and transparent name. Now, I want to create a new key intent and to fill it in with examples of questions and phrases from users. For example, let me create a new key intent that is called order a pizza and fill it in with possible questions the chatbot can receive from users. For example, I want to order. Let's order a pizza. What about pizza delivery? How to get pizza delivered? I want to eat pizza. Please pay attention that you should fill in at least 5 possible questions here. But we strongly advise you to input at least 10 questions. The more various list of questions you will have here, the better your chatbot will work, and the better it will understand the meaning of questions from users. If you add the same phrase several times, for example like this, it adds no value for our AI core. This is a bad example, and in this list of questions will work bad because there are the same questions here. I also want to add that one key intent must contain questions that are devoted to only one specific topic. It is not allowed to add questions with contradictory meanings or questions that are too different in their meanings. For example, if I add here the intent of the user like this, that will work bad. That's why I delete this phrase and save my key intent. I would like to add also that our artificial intelligence is indifferent if letters in your key intents are capital or not, or if you have punctuation or not. Also, our artificial intelligence understands some variations in writing of different words if they are not so difficult. Please take this into account when you fill in your key intents with questions. All key intents must be followed by answers. So I add the answer block to every key intent I have. If you leave your key intent just alone with no answer block, your bot will be silent. You can mark some values in your intents with text. For example, I go to this intent, and if I highlight a word, you see I can assign a tag here. Assigning a tag allows in the future to create different answers to the same intent, dependent on different values in intents. We will tell you about using answers and tags in our next videos.